Okay, well looky here. Good morning. Happy Sunday, April 7th. We were first greeted by Cinnia and now by Mama Cat and Freddie. Freddie, you are so cool. You're just the coolest kitty. Well, so are you, Mama Kitty. Yeah. Here comes Fluffy. Bless her little heart. She's got a little sensor on her that senses if there's food within, 10-mile radius of her.
She hears a bottle cap go click.
Yes, she's got good hearing. Too cool. So all but Growler's probably waiting at the cat area, so not worried about that. Okay, make that all here. Here's Growler, and Jay's gonna bring out some more treats. Over here, Growler. This is easier. Growler, come here. Come on, baby. Come on.
Growler.
There we go. She got her treat. Yeah. She says, hey, treat me, but don't touch me. What is this touching stuff? Oh, and we have happy, non-related to Milpitas news in San Jose at City Hall in nesting box that Glenn Stewart, of biologist who's at Santa Cruz University. We have Clara and Fernando, peregrine mated pair, who, Clara, this is her 13th season, had laid 4 eggs, and the first one hatched yesterday evening. Yay! So we're on our way to an awesome peregrine season. Hey, all 5 cats here and eagerly eating breakfast. We have clear blue skies, maybe just a streak of a cloud here and there, but not a rain cloud. Sunny, be up in about 70, low 70s today. Just beautiful, beautiful spring weather. That's why we live in California, where we live. I don't do well with really cold. I don't do snow, so that drives where I would be living. Oh, and I don't do extreme heat either, so once you eliminate all that, Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area. It's a beautiful place to live, expensive but beautiful. And for anybody who would like to follow Clara and Fernando's latest clutch of babies, you can do that by going to San Jose, California website and look for Falcon Cam. They're not the only one that does it in the area. San Francisco at the PG&E building also has a Falcon Cam with audio, so if you want to hear, and they have 3 babies that hatched a while back, so if you want to hear what 3 little eyases, that's what they call baby peregrines, sound like when it's feeding time or they want to get their mom or dad's attention, turn into San Francisco, PG&E's website, and click on their Falcon Cam. Unfortunately, San Jose's Falcon Cam does not have audio. It's an older camera and it needs to be replaced, and we're hoping that the next camera that goes at the nest site will include audio. Okay, children, it's really okay. Fluffy, everybody's leaving you to a plate all by... I'm not Fluffy. Growler, you're getting a plate all to yourself. You don't mind it, I know. But don't worry. Freddie will be over shortly to help you. I know he will because, well, he's done a pretty good job on the plate on the left. So. It's okay, Growler. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Just keep eating. Yep, here we go. Freddie's gonna come help you, Growler. Good morning.
They're having a nice breakfast time.
They are having a great breakfast. As if on cue. We're going to be moving along. Jay's moving the plates.
Okay, on the bare branch tree behind you, Alviso Adobe Park. Whoops, it just took off. I'm not sure what I was looking at. Hopefully the big screen will let me know.
Yeah, okay, and we have, see if I can get out of the sun thing. We have Kitty Cat here who was waiting for us and came over when called, having his breakfast. And there's something on that tree, on the bare branch.
A light colored something.
Well, light towards the back. Not so light, not black or anything, but darker towards the rest of it. And the picture's not coming in clear. I'm recording, folks. I don't know what we're looking at. We'll have to wait until we get home and see it on a bigger screen. And it flew. We have a Killdeer here. Okie dokes, we'll leave him to it. Okay, we're back at the cat area, and Freddie is slowly making his way over. Freddie!
Here comes Fluffy
Fluffy!
from the north.
Hey, Freddie! How you doing, big guy? Yeah. Yeah. We're heading into that time of the year. We're leaving winter behind and spring and then summer. With you guys all growed up. What you doing, Freddie? Fluffy! He's a Fluffy! Fluffy! Come on. Fluffy! Yeah, I don't do the treats, but I at least pet the kitty. Pet the kitty, pet the kitty, pet the kitty. Yeah. Yes, you're a good girl. Yeah. Fluffers, you got such a pretty face. Yes, you do.
Yeah.
What you doing, Freddie? You looking for something? Thought for a moment he was on the hunt, but then he stopped.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, you liking that one? Oh.
I can just see the back, but I can tell by her posture she's gone into the, oh yeah, squinty eyes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And there's the purr. Very good.
Noisy truck.
Freddie.
Kitty. You're just gonna lay there, okay. Okie dokies.
Freddie.
Yep.